So again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and I have a clean new Acrylic container. The schmutz on it is stuck to the sticky that had held the label on the bottom. So I'm going to create, whoops, perfect timing, huh? Somebody wants something from somebody. Maybe they just want them to come out. So I'm going to create a pan of colors. For the ground, for the bottom half of this. Come out. I'm going to wish that would come out a little better. There we go. I've got all kinds of greens, things I never use, things that would be nice to have for bloom paints. My intention is to just shovel them up when the time comes and make stripes across the bottom. We'll see how I want to treat it when it comes to that time. There we go. I got it. It's coming out now. Let's throw a little bit of... Let's wish we could. That's what I get for going in the house and downloading movies. Alright, I got something. It's not much. I got nothing. I got a drop. I kind of want something that's shimmery in there. I'm not sure what it should be. I have some green. I guess the green gold color shifting from Folk-Art and the minty green color shifting from Folk-Art will both... Really? Come on. I just cleaned you out. Okay, better than it was. We have a very, very breezy day today. I have some colors like this Kelly green that I seldom if ever use, but I think they'd look good in the bottom half of something. And I am going to treat myself to a little bit of this. I think it was an Art Minds. And since I'm in the mood, let's get that out of there. Let's skip down. I'm going to have to go shopping soon and hope that I can find some Deco-Art pouring medium. I want a whole bunch. Of course it's not going to open. I want a bunch of sky color. I may actually even spread a layer of white paint up there so that I can get that to move around. Very tempted to put some of this in there, but okay, I'm just going to risk it. I'm probably going to mix it in some. That is the Venetian blue. Nice patterns. So I've got some white. Let's make sure that that's... Alright, I'm going to check it out and see what else I might want in here. Better or worse, whatever that is. I think it was a bronze. I'm moving my bottles back so I have some elbow room. I've never done a bottom scape without some gold, so I'm going to put it in there now. And I am going to put that white paint on. I've got a very blustery day. Let's try the other side. I could even go vertical. Alright. I've got an OXO omelet turning spatula. It's called a flip and fold. And a layer of paint means that whatever I put on next will slide more easily. And that's a really good thing because I need to slide this color across and spread it out as much as possible so I have a chance to cover the edges over here along both sides. I may swipe this sky in because it does not need to be anything fancy. I do want to make sure that my paint is right over the edge. Before I pour it in there. That looks like an eyelash. It does. And I was soaking my tweezers when I went in, so I can pull that out. Strange that an eyelash should pick now to fall into my artwork. Alright, it's just time to go. It's go time! I want some pink in there, darn. I almost got away without adding anything. I'll settle for purple. I think I'm going to have to scoop this. That blue had a lot of metallic in it. Yeah, very tempted to say I'm going to just swipe it. Also, I'm going to grab a spatula. Whoops. Yeah, you saw that. I wasn't aware. Well, now I got two compartments. I'm going to use that Princeton art tool. I've got white on my spatula, which is probably okay. I was certainly going to tip this, and I may still. That was my bracelets. That's a first. Well, the first time I noticed anyway. Maybe I don't need to tip. Let's hope it's spread out as far as it wants to go right now. That way I can shovel on the bottom. And hopefully I have an edge catcher around here somewhere. And since I've done what I've done, my inclination is to just do this. I've got an edge catcher. I'm thinking I might make up some shovelfuls of paint. I may let this go all the way down and see how far I can spread it before sending it back up in again. And then over, whoops. Okay, that works. So I may do a whole nother side. Right now, I'm going to grab all of this paint. Put it right up there. And that paint, put it down there. See what we've got gathering. In the container. Now maybe one more shovelful would be good. What did I do with that? It's got to be right here, right? There it is. It's invisible. Just going to let it flow over as far as it wants to go. I also might float right back in again. Scrape off that edge catcher. I got some very bronzy, very cool colors. I was looking at a painting in the house that has green fields and a blue sky. And it made me want to do this. So let's see what we can get out of here. Rather than waste anything by being frustrated. And this will prove to you you don't actually have to pour anything out of a container either, because I'm going to just put a whole bunch more paint with this. That can go away. This paint is still viable to a degree. My sky got hit. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some paint right on the edge catcher. Am I? Yeah, I am. Whoa. That's like way more than I was expecting. It's been that kind of day though. What other color do I want in there? Some purple, I think. So there's my colors are right over here. Whoops. More colors than I can handle, actually. And my mountain's going up. I am having a messy day, but I got some really cool cells. I haven't wasted much paint. Some. I keep hitting the standard that my tripod is holding my camera up. So I am going to just keep sticking my finger in the edge of that paint, because paint will flow to paint. And I seem to have quite a bit of it everywhere. It's a messy day. I think I said that. Messy, windy day. And that's pretty cool shape. I'm not unhappy with that at all. I kind of trust that something weird or something good or something unique will always happen. I kind of want a little bit of purple in there somewhere. Any dollops of paint that have fallen over are all fair game for me. I like the weird shapes. That's cool. The little stacks are neat. Could even find room for a tree on there somewhere. I think I need to find some paint and drop it into that little space that I just saw, which I can always use a bottle. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I've got. That's pretty cool. At least I like it. And anything else I might want to do to that. Come on out. Slowly and carefully. I know I'm still doing it upside down. I should not do that. That might be just too much trust. Alright, I've got 2 minutes left to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. My email address, if you want to get in contact with me, is right under the Linktree link underneath Show More under the video. I am changing the topography. And if I wanted to change anything else, I could do it now. Forever hold your peace. That was the breeze. Darn. Son of a gun. Well, what can I do with that? I can put a cloud in there. Let's call it a cloud. Let's give ourselves a little tiny cloud. One cloud deserves another, sort of thing, feels like. I will be gone, and you'll be gone. So I should remember to say thank you for sharing my videos. I appreciate that. Thank you for all the donations that have kept me painting all this time. If you want to help me continue making videos, PayPal and Patreon links are on my channel. The icons are on my channel header, and the links are under the Linktree link. You can see the prizes for whoever wins the drawing on the exhibition video. I like that. That's okay. That was a happy accident. You can probably use that trick a whole lot of places. I love you guys. There's 87,000 of you, or very nearly. I've got a crib sheet, but everything blew away, and I got it back. Please give me a thumbs up. Look for pixels.com and Fine Art America, and the Shop Now button on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes, and more on Facebook will lead you to those places. I have 1,360 plus videos on my channel in playlists. Look under all playlists and created playlists. Look for Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links underneath the Linktree. Look for Teespring clothing all over print leggings and t-shirts. If you shop my Amazon link, you help me out. I really appreciate that. I love you guys. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and that's coming back. We're all coming back. So you guys take care, and I will see you anon.